Hey guys, today we are doing the Play-doh buzz and cut again. As you can see, my daughter made the hair grow and now she's gonna brush it or cut it. Go ahead. Ooh, beautiful. Look at that haircut.
Look at this face. Look. Look
Oh, I
at
see your little face. Wow.
I'll do it again.
You gonna brush it all out?
Yeah.
You can brush it all out and then start again. Her hair looks like spaghetti.
Like spaghetti?
And then there's also molds on the back. You can make a mustache or a little bow with hair. And there it grows again. Look at that. Spiky hair. All done. You gonna brush it?